Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are editing your videos in InShot and wondering how to save them, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your edited video so you can share it with your friends, upload it to YouTube or just keep it for later. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto video option and choose one video that you want to edit and save for later. Alright, before we save your video, make sure you have finished all your edits, whether it's trimming, adding text, music or effects. Ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Next, tap onto the share button right here. Here you can find the option of save, and you can also change the resolution, frame rate and format of the video, and then simply tap on to save. Now, after a few seconds, your video has been saved to watch for later. And that's it. It's super easy to save your InShot video. Now you are ready to share your masterpiece with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.